This is a fucking mini.
Literally.
Bro. We're moving to Utah.
What the fuck are you doing, bro?
This is the thing. Welcome to Utah.
Yeah, we are, boy.
Wait, I kind of have to pee.
Dude, are you freaking serious?
No, I'm just kidding.
It's gonna be a long trip, guys. Hey, we're gonna have a karaoke party. If I don't see no lips flapping, I get to smacking, all right?
She's like, I'm ready.
Oh, I see the vibe you're going for. It's like gentle but still demanding. We here.
Look at the good question.
Welcome guests. We know you're gonna get fucked up every single day.
Oh shit, beacons, boy.
We'll just clip from this to us getting fucked up, right?
Let's see who's better with that. What the? Dude, I was supposed to count down. Oh shit. Too late.
Yeah, why would Raven count?
So she can get a head start. Oh!
Wait! Is it empty? Hold up. Oh, wait, she threw up. Wait! Hey, wait. Ah!
What are you doing? You drink.
I can't.
You drink for a living.
I can't drink carbonated. Drink soda.
I'm the fastest shotgunner in the world. Nobody can beat my shotgun.
Dude, I just beat you, bro.
I won.
Check the video.
Check the freaking video then.
Let's check the video. We can tell them that.
No, I did win.
I won, bro.
Hey, I win. Watch this. And he started before me.
Run it back on the ESPN slow-mo. Hey, we're waiting for Dad to do a backflip and then we're gonna do it. It's for the vlog.
All right, your dad's ready. 3, 2, 1. The spit dropping down the chin.
The foam?
Yeah.
My eyes are like...
Yeah.
You suck.
Barely.
You guys are like that.
Nigga, who touches...
Who drank it first?
Who touches glasses?
Bro, why would we not cheers?
You're right, bro. It means we gotta do it again. We gotta do it again.
We're fucking shotgunning this shit.
All right, so this
First
is what's
one to
going
finish
on.
the shotgun.
You just
Hey, wait, hold on.
This is the 2020 Utah Utah Virgin River Relay Olympics. You know what the fuck going on?
Oh, fuck.
What you did here, right?
Caught me by surprise.
That shit was sexy though.
I know.
I mean,
I was like,
rock hard up in this motherfucker. So here's what we're gonna do. We gonna chug this shit. First one to chug it, jump in the water, get all the way down there to the rope.
5-second disqualification if this shit in the can. It's the same.
Oh, you're right.
Wait.
3.
I need to get situated.
What the fuck
Just
does that
follow
even
us.
mean?
Just follow
All
us
right,
with the camera. All right, ready? Touch the ground.
3, 2, 1.
Ah! Okay, okay, yeah!
Lucky I hit my foot on the rock.
Dude, I like
That's the rock I hit my butt on.
Oh shit! Wait, Q! We beat you with the shotgun and I beat you in the rain! Hey, I'ma tell you what. That was one of the motherfucking craziest rivers my ass ever been down. Now here's what we're gonna do. We gonna chug this motherfucker right here. We gonna tap it.
We just got back from the river.
mean, today was a good day. Well, this whole trip was cool, but it made me realize how pretty the world is, how pretty Utah is, the different places on Earth.
You better go to different places on Earth because they are heck of a good. You should go to Florida. Florida and Disney World. You should go. It's very fun. Disney World is very fun. It's also very expensive, but save your money.
Say peace out.
Peace out.
Give me another.
Shut the mic.
Give me another one.
Hey, somebody feed him.
See my legs.
Hey. Yeah, boy. Hey, Zeke, throw me a beer. Hey, don't litter though. Throw it back over here.